This is the Hilife portable steamer, and it's now the best steamer I have ever used. You can easily put it together within a matter of seconds. I've already attached one of the 2 garment brushes it comes with. It's an incredibly easy to use steamer, small yet powerful, and it generates gentle and long-lasting steam. It has a 9-foot power cord which helps to easily steam clothes from a distance. The portability of this garment steamer is fantastic. It's lightweight and compact, making it very travel-friendly. You can simply pack it into your suitcase or carry-on luggage. It has a water tank capacity of 1 cup, which provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming. Using the Hilife portable steamer is super easy. Here's how I steam my clothes as I demonstrate on this linen top. First, I fill the water up to the tank's maximum line to ensure proper functioning. I highly recommend using distilled or purified water instead of tap water. Hard water can leave mineral deposits visible as white flakes and potentially clog the machine. I plug in the steamer and wait for the light to indicate that it's ready to use. I hold the garment from the bottom and gently work my way up and down section by section while keeping the steamer's nozzle and garment brush moving to avoid concentrating steam in one spot. After steaming, I let the garment dry and settle before wearing it to prevent wrinkles from reappearing. Here are some important notes to keep in mind while using the Hilife portable steamer. 1. Never add water over the maximum water line. 2. Avoid turning the steamer upside down or tilting it past a 45-degree angle. 3. Never use the steamer on clothes that you are wearing on yourself. 4. For best results, use a hanger to hang your clothes while you're steaming. And 5. A very important note is to not put your hands or skin too close to the blue nozzle because this part gets very hot during operation. The Hilife portable steamer is great for anyone in need of a convenient and effective way to keep their clothes wrinkle-free. It's easy to use, lightweight, and portable, and works wonders on a variety of fabrics.